Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing a a Raspberry Pi 3A Plus. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut this box open so you guys wouldn't have to watch me do that. And as you can see, it's still intact, and packaging, I got it from online. And okay, so check out this K-Lite stuff, and okay, boom, there we go. I think that's a pretty big packaging for this little box here we have. But anyway, let me see if I can adjust this down a little bit so that you guys can see a bit more of this table. Okay, that's a bit wiggly there, but okay, so let's move that a bit there. Okay, so as you can see, I have it now here. Oops. Okay, let me just revert that back to its original place. It's a bit more sturdy this way. Okay, anyway, so I have the box here, and let's see what's inside. It's supposed to be set. So as you can see here, I have the Raspberry Pi 3A Plus. It's good, nice and neat. And then it comes with a micro SD card reader. I guess this is to connect to the laptop, right? So the actual card is this one. It's a 32 gigabyte card. Here it says it can support up to 2 terabytes, right? Okay, which isn't bad. And it works on Windows, Mac OS, as we can see. And okay, and it comes with a power adapter as well, so you're meant to be able to, you know, plug it in to your it's got a little switch here, into your Raspberry Pi. So let me try to open that quickly and see. So you have the Raspberry Pi, and so this is my first time experimenting with the Raspberry Pi. I had initially bought an ESP32, but it's not quite adequate for what I was trying to do. So I went ahead and bought this Raspberry Pi, and you can see it looks very crisp. It's got the pins over here, and it's got a USB, and I guess the power input goes right here, as you can see. And this is an HDMI cable, and then a micro USB here. And well, I'm not sure what these other parts are, but as you can see, it's looking really nice. And I don't know if anything lights up if I actually connect it. So let me just try that. So I guess it's supposed to have a micro SD slot. I thought it did. Maybe I can just get it to read through here. It's also my first time. So, but I thought I'd make a video and record it anyway. So let me try to plug it in and see what happens. So I'm gonna get this adapter here. Careful with this, place it very nicely. And I'm going to unwrap this cable. And oh, it's actually different from what I thought. It is not the actual power cable, so, but it is a USB cable. See, okay, so sorry, I think I got carried away there. So you can see here, plug it in, yeah, like that. And then, so I have an adapter just behind me. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to plug this white head in. Okay. So you can't really see, but when I plug that white head in, I get a nice light come up. Right, I get a nice light. Let me see if I can just move the camera. You can see down there. That one with the red light. That's it. Okay. And so it's connected. And then now I'm going to try to connect this into the micro USB. So here it doesn't have an earth, so I hope I don't get shocked doing this. Like an electric shock. So there we go. I hope I don't break it as well. Okay. That was like a bit of a push to get it in there. I don't know if it's an actual one, but okay, so there goes my Raspberry Pi. I'm going to be experimenting with this in the next few days, and maybe when I get the hang of it, I'll make a few more videos about this.